Look at these fabulous green beans. And the date is what, Amy? December 6th?
December 6th.
Now, we are like 60 miles northwest of Houston. So we're in the country. And I did not cover these up. We've had some bad, like for us, down into the 30s. But these beans, it took them a long time to produce because it got so dry here and they didn't grow much. But now they're producing. There's still some beans on here, I'm sure.
Yep.
Always when you pick beans, you go back a second time because you for sure missed some. But Amy and I are going to have some wonderful beans. Here's a couple tomatoes that are coming volunteers, and I'm going to try to keep them going. This is broccoli, and I think there's 9 plants in here, and it will make nice big heads. You take that head off, and then it starts making little ones all around. I'm hoping that these are ready by Christmas, but I'm afraid they probably won't be. I did plant some lettuce in here. It has not come up. I took a potato, a couple red potatoes, cut them, put them in here. If we don't get really bad weather, they'll continue to grow. They probably won't grow like springtime, but they'll grow. This is a sweet potato that I think I cut it in two. It started making slips, and I cut it in two, just stuck it in the ground. I either cut it in two or I just stuck it in there. And we're going to wait till it freezes back to pick it. But it's so pretty. And did you know you can eat sweet potato leaves? You can tell here it got from the freeze. Well, not a
Almost freeze, yeah.
And these tomatoes are loaded. Look at these. I can hardly even pick these up. And they're starting to turn. I have a bunch in the house too. This is 8 celebrities. I planted them August 20th. I planted those beans in the end of September. And they should have made much faster. But the whole, they're just loaded with tomatoes all over the place. And I will cover them up again unless it's a terrible freeze. And they're not as good as summertime tomatoes, I'll tell you that for sure. And they don't get as big. The celebrities don't get big anyway. But usually they're much bigger. But they're just producing like crazy. This eggplant's still with us. Got a little eggplant on here. And here's a little one. And here's some more tomatoes. I don't think I planted anything in there. That's the asparagus, which I will have to cut back. I'm going to let it die back more, and I'll cut it totally back, and I'll fill it full of a lot of good mulch and stuff, because that'll be producing in probably in February for us.
And Leroy.
Do what?
And Leroy.
Yeah. And here's my little garden. It doesn't have much in it because until now we have not had any rain. And I've been hoeing in here a little. I planted 4 cabbages and only 1 lived. This you can't see, but there are carrots in here. They didn't come up good, so I'm going to go along and put some more on the side of them. This is English peas over here. They have not come up, but they climb. Over here, I have onions. These are the sweet Texas onions. 1015s, I believe is what they're called. And this is collards coming up. The collards are happy. Greens do real good here in the winter. And don't show them where I don't have anything. And that's the purple hyacinth bean plant. And I'm going to harvest all the seeds. And I will probably have them at my antique show in the spring and give seeds away to everybody so they can plant them one. But that's all that's going on in the garden. I still have these beautiful vincas, and there are the zinnias are coming back up.
I have zinnias too.
You do? Mm-hmm. Well, they're coming back up. They're on their own because I'm tired of watering everything, and I'm so happy. I think we got maybe an inch all together in a week or two.
Yeah.
And we are on the map that they show of the droughts. We are in extreme drought here where we are, which is terrible. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you the garden, and those of you that are snowed in, maybe this will give you a little hope for the springtime.